So yeah, it's day 6 or 7, 5:30 in the morning, and let's start our section with the containers and what are the containers. Okay, so basically there are these types of containers, two types of containers: semantic and non-semantic. Non-semantic containers doesn't have any sequence. You can use it anywhere in the section, and semantic containers have one fixed section. Okay, like let's say if it is nav, you can use it for only for nav bar, and if it is header, you use it for main heading and main sections, side headings, and if it is main, you use it for there is also one more tag, container tag, which is called as hero. Okay, you can also use hero section, and let's say if main is used for this main section of the code, and the section is used for group of related content, and article used for independent content, and aside is used for like sidebars or any notes or any ads. Okay, and footer is at last use it for quick click section or bottom of the page. Okay, so these are the containers you use, and in future while making website we will talk about this section in a more detailed way. I have said you this so that we can talk about divine container. Okay, so let's create div first. Now we got over here div. Okay, now in div let's create okay, yeah. So let's say let's create first id and then class. Okay, so we can have the same class but we can't have the same id. The id must be different for every div. So let's say class is show, and name like content under it is my name is KJ Krishna. I am a front end developer, and let's say here we will have different IDs for each of this. It will have A, let's say it may have B, it will have C and D and E. Okay, done. So they all have different unique IDs A, B, C, D, E, and they have the same class out like show, and it's my name. They all have the same content. My name is Jayan Krishna. Okay. Now because see why this text is in white, the reason behind this is already we have created, like this is my take 2, and in my take 1 I have already created a id for B, and the color is antique white. Okay, and now let's say this may be like show. So yeah, everyone have got their different they got the same background color blue. Okay, and we will discuss about CSS in detail in upcoming lectures, but for now let's take it as a unknown language that you don't know about. Okay, and what else we can change? We can make it like if a, and I want a color to be azure. And so yeah, there is not a big difference between Antic White and Azure, but I just wanted to show you that in such way, like ID is kind of Aadhaar card, okay, na? Aadhaar card number, which have like which you can use only for the one single time, and you can't use it for multiple times. And glass is something that you can use it for multiple times in multiple days. Okay. This is the major difference between ID and a glass. Okay, I think you got it. And if you have any related doubt between ID and glass, please ask, because mainly we make websites and we do designing on based of ID and glass. So it's the kind of most important thing. And yeah, one more rule of ID and glass is, if let's say here I gave the color to be aqua. Okay, let's say I gave you a color to be aqua. So you can see that only this three color have changed in aqua, and these two colors are still what you say antique white. Okay, let's wait a minute, you will not get difference in such a way. Let's write it down as black. So you can see that they all are like in this tree or in aqua, but is in black. The reason behind this is that ID will be like always upper than the glass. Okay, glass, because glass is a common thing which is used for common words. So it not like that, it will not be that serious as per the ID. Okay, because everything have only one ID, one unique ID. So what CSS do is CSS give preference to the code what we write in ID. Okay, that's one more point to add on. And if you have any doubt regarding this, please ask me down, or please comment down. And yeah, with this, day 7 of our lecture is get completed, and I hope you find well, and sorry for the delay. I will try to get consistent through the time. And yeah, bye.